My voice is fucked. I got a sore throat overnight. So Nick,
hey,
you're gonna be vlogging most of the time.
hi.
I'll tell you what to do, okay? What are we doing today?
I don't know what you're doing today. You didn't really tell me.
We're gonna do some small hikes. We're gonna try to see like 4 to 5 waterfalls along the Columbia River Gorge right outside of Portland. But right now, we are going to get some donuts at Blue Star. Yeah? Alright, let's do it. Nick,
Yeah.
you look so Korean right now. Hold on.
Is it the
Oh
hair?
shit. Hold on. Let me like get a full body of you here. Look at this guy. Korean. Who's this Korean guy?
Hey guys, me and my brother just parked. We're here at Latourell Falls, and that's all I know about it. And we're all gonna go to a short hike right now. Alright, let's go. Wow, look at that. We're on our way to the second waterfall called Bridal Veil Waterfall. It's about a 2/3 mile hike. Alright, here we go. Oh wait, it's pretty loud. Hold on. Let's see if it focuses. Alright guys, we're on our next destination on Wahkeena Falls. Short distance, and here you go. Hey, it's me again. Never mind. Hey guys, me again, and we're on to our next destination. And as you can see by the cars around us and more people, this is a more touristy area. This is known as Multnomah Falls. Look at that. Alright, here we go. Ow. Alright guys, we're coming back down from Multnomah Falls. It was pretty beautiful. It's like a double layered waterfall. We didn't go all the way up, but then you can go on top. It's like a mile hike. What? That's all I have to say. So we're here in our final destination. Oh, maybe not final, maybe just the last waterfall we're gonna see. It's called Horsetail Falls. I feel like I should say more, but I don't know what to say. Here, look at it. Alright guys, we're done for the day. We had a pretty great experience. We're heading back now. We visited 5 waterfalls in order: Latourell, Bridal Veil, Wahkeena, Multnomah, and Horsetail. They're pretty close to each other. They're like 2 to 3 miles apart. So it's a great experience to like take with your friends, family, hit them in chain. So this didn't take long. We left at 7:30 and we're finishing at 10. I think my favorite is either between, I don't remember which one is it. It's either Wahkeena or Bridal Veil. This is the one we came close at just because I thought it looked cool.
This is the one on the rock?
Yeah.
That's Bridal Veil.
And I also liked, you know, Multnomah, just because it's more touristy and it's, you know, you can see why. It's a bigger, much bigger waterfall, and there's more layers to it. Alright guys, till next time, peace.